Oh my god. I don't even know how to start off this video. Where do I begin? This is crazy. I cannot tell you the last time I sit and filmed and actually post a YouTube video. Oh, last time I posted was 2 years ago. Well, actually, I think I thought that was going to be a short, but it was not short because it's 1 second longer. So technically, the last time I posted was 3 years ago. Should I even tell you guys what I've been up to, or are you just here to watch a review? I figured you're here to watch the review. So let's just get into this review. So let's talk about it. Fenty Hair, honey. Rihanna has made a hair care line. Now, she markets it literally for every hair type to be able to use this product. Now, I'm kind of skeptical about that because what works for my hair is not gonna work for somebody else here that's a little bit straighter than mine, if you know what I mean. Besides that, I had to support her because, honey, it's Fenty, it's Rihanna. So what really stood out to me is the Replenish Core 5, which is strengthen, hydrate, repair, smooth, and protect. All those things are what we look for, especially when it comes to our hair care. So the way I designed this series that I'm going to be posting is like I literally bought everything from her hair care line to just review and test out and see if I like it myself, because I'm in the market to honestly start using different products, and I had to support Rihanna when she brought her this hair care line. I want to use these products and actually tell you my honest review. I wish I was on their PR list, but unfortunately I am not on Fenty's PR list. So Fenty, if you ever see this video and you want to send me products, please. The first thing I want to review is the shampoo. So let's talk about this shampoo, honey, and the looks on this bottle, because this is serving. I will literally buy this shampoo just for the bottle alone. Like, this is a vibe. It is neat, it's chic. Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo retails for $29, and honestly I don't think that's a bad price for a shampoo, especially for the look that you get. Honestly, I will recycle this shampoo bottle, just use it with other brands of other shampoos that I like more. Just for a heads up, I have low porosity hair and my hair takes a while to absorb water, so it took a few minutes for my hair to fully absorb the water, and I just let the water run and do what it needed to do. And then I went ahead and applied the shampoo. But when applying the shampoo, I feel like I had to apply a lot in order for it to lather, because I really do love when my shampoo lather. I feel like that's the only way it's working. And for me, this product didn't lather the way I wanted it to. I had to add too much product in order for it to lather and do what it needed to do. So I will say it does cleanse the scalp really well, but how it makes my hair feel is not the best. I feel like my curls wasn't popping after the shampoo, because normally my curls will like bounce back, but it was just not a lot of frizz. Also, the good thing about it is it's sulfate free and silicone free. So let's talk about the scent. So far the scent have been very consistent. It's very long lasting. You will smell that throughout your washing, your styling, and then just leaving it to air dry. You will have that scent throughout the whole time. It lasts, okay? If you love the scent lasts. That's a good thing for you. However, if you don't like strong scents, I probably would not recommend this line. Let's talk about the deep conditioner, honey. This deep conditioner is everything, honestly. Like, I absolutely enjoyed using this deep conditioner. So this one is called the Richer One Moisturizer Repair Deep Conditioner. It retails for $29. So far it has 20 reviews at 5 stars. The description says it's an ultra hydrating deep conditioner that makes hair softer, reduce breakage, and repair split ends. So after using the shampoo, I went straight ahead into the deep conditioner. I typically detangle when I use my deep conditioner, and I sit on the heat or I leave it in my hair for a long period of time. Problem that I had with this line itself, it didn't give specific instructions on how long, like the maximum time to use this product, if you should add heat or not. Like, it didn't specify what you needed to do in order to get the maximum benefits of the product itself. So for me, I left the deep conditioner in probably for about, I would say 4 hours. I will say when I got back to wash out my hair, my curls were literally popping. Like, my curls were tight, they were coily, they looked moisturized, they felt soft. I was able to nicely detangle. A lot of hair didn't come out at all because the detangling just, the product itself just made my hair so slippery, so moisturized that I don't think my strands wanted to leave, honey. They wanted to stay upon my head. I will highly recommend this. I'm literally adding this to my full regimen because I feel like it worked so well on my hair. The scent of it It is just like the shampoo. It has a clean, strong scent. So hopefully Fenty brings out a line that has no scent, so with the same benefits, with the same type of consistency, just without the scent. So at least you guys who have hypersensitivity to certain things, you'll at least be able to try it and then go from there. So it has wild mango butter, warm, that's what it is. It is a warm, ambery floral scent. I think that's what's getting me, the sandalwood. I'm not a sandalwood girl. I feel like sandalwood is too strong, like perfumes and anything with sandalwood is just not for me. And I feel like that's what it is that's causing me to not like it too much. Like I don't, if I smell it on someone, I'll be like, it smells good. But would I want it for myself as a scent? I don't know. So if the budget is tight, comparing these two, I would definitely go in for the deep conditioner because I just feel like it did what it's supposed to do, honey. Like I was so amazingly proud of this deep conditioner. It's just literally worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. That was my honest and transparent review of the shampoo and the deep conditioner. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, just ask me down below and I will answer. I haven't done this in so long, honey. I don't even know what to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2 of this Fenty review. Okay, bye!